Alrighty, this is Senior Prestige Motorsports in the dyno room here. As you can see, kind of standing by this really unique combination we did, really nice motor, which kind of brought up some subjects which, and a couple other things happened last week and stuff like that. And we're going to talk about our core values. And specifically the one we're going to talk about is honesty with transparency. So basically what we're going to talk about is dyno numbers, okay? So most of the people around in this area, including myself, were all involved in NASCAR. So NASCAR was a very strict community as far as dyno numbers and how it represented to the racetrack and things of that nature. So back in the day there, basically if you gain three horsepower, to say for Daytona or Talladega, it would result into time at the racetrack. So 3 horsepower was a big deal in those criterias, and you got judged on the chassis dyno, everything of that nature. So everybody's dyno that was legit was all based off of the factory's dynos and criteria that was come from Superflow and things of that nature. So throughout the years, you basically, if you went to the chassis dyno and you told the customer, hey, you got 10 more horsepower, and you rolled out on the chassis dyno, you didn't, and you went to the racetrack and didn't run no faster, you pretty much got condemned, type situation. So it became, we lived in that truthful honesty and integrity type of situation. So that just became second nature. So our dyno facility is really set up the same way and stuff. So what's frustrating is we see, we dyno pretty much every day combinations, and you see another guy's combination and it's 50 horsepower more than yours, and you wonder what the heck, type situation. So we had a motor a couple weeks ago from a pretty good engine builder, and all we did was freshen it up for this customer. Had some issues and stuff, so the motor wasn't wore out or nothing of that nature. And I think they claimed 700 horsepower, and I struggled to make 605. So big difference, So that's tough to swallow within this profession, especially when clients just look at one number and that's what they're buying off of, stuff of that nature. So, some people don't even dyno. Some people, they say a number from, 600 to 700, what is it really? But there is company out there that are really legit. And we watch those companies and we know kind of, hey, they got this, and it rolls out this, and we know they're legit and they dyno everything. So, but there is a lot that's not. So just be aware of that. Make sure whoever you're dealing with, search around and make sure they dyno everything. You got legit numbers and things of that nature. And it's no different than I brought it up because of this combination here. So Kinsler supplied the fuel injection here, and so we gave them all our criteria how we were going to build this motor, and they came back with this is how it's going to run. And my God, they hit that thing, really close. They hit the peaks and valleys and things of that nature. Very impressive, very impressive. So Kinsler, been around a long time. So it just goes to show you, within this profession, there's people that are honest and have transparency. So we pride ourselves on that, and that's one of our core values. So just kind of wanted to remind everybody about that. Have a great day.